We're starting today's video in the showroom. A few months ago, we announced that we'd be attending the Concours of Elegance in Germany. It's the first year this event's been on. We're really excited to be involved. In particular, the 4-day tour that takes place before the Concours itself. The car for the job is our beautiful Jaguar XK120 Competition. This car is part of our private collection and needs to go through the workshop for a thorough inspection and preparation for the event. It's currently Monday, 6 p.m. We need to leave on Friday, so let's head to the workshop, get the car checked over, and then hit the road. We're in the workshop on the 4-poster ramp. The preparation for the event is now well underway. We've completed a major service on the car, including all oils and all filters. Although the car's not covered many miles, it's good practice to renew the oil because it does degrade with time. We tell this to all of our customers, whether it be classic cars or performance vehicles. We've also begun collating a detailed spares package for the car from our comprehensive parts facility to make sure there's no issue that stops us whilst we're out in Germany. The next step is to get the car on the road, give it a road test, a final visual check for any leaks and any other little niggles, and then we can get it loaded on the trailer, ready for Germany. You join me now in our final pre-tour video, and as you've seen, the road testing is complete, the car's inspected, and we're now loaded into our smaller box trailer, ready to hit the road for Germany. We've got one leg of the journey tonight to Kent, where we've got an event on this evening. It's currently Saturday, 5 o'clock. Tomorrow, we'll make the bulk of the journey to Germany, moving on from Kent onto the ferry, which will take you along for the ride. So, I'll catch up with you next time when we're in Germany, when the event starts.